And I think that comes down to the problem that you're trying to solve at the time. You may have a leak, and if we find out, your roof's 20, 25 years old, and it's really just a matter of time before other leaks start popping up because we can tell that the roof's at the end of its lifespan, then a repair, we probably would recommend a full roof replacement. Otherwise, the repairs will add up. Repairs are typically more costly than a full roof replacement is, in that the per square foot price is more costly. And so, if you're into 2 or 3 or 4 repairs, you've probably paid for a new roof system by then and would have been better off with the new roof system. Yeah, so if you see granule loss, where it looks like the color or the granules have just kind of, the shingles have become bare and the granules are down in the gutter trough a lot of times. If there's a heavy amount of granule loss, that's a good indication you may have an issue. Or the time has come that it's past its serviceable age, and so it's not holding on to those granules. Curling and buckling shingles also, so everything should lay relatively flat, but if you start seeing them stick up or curl up, then that's usually an indication that either premature aging or that it's just the aging has happened. And you're going to probably want to have somebody take a look at that. A good roof done the right way should, in the past, should easily last 25 years. I mean, it depends on the type of shingle, but you should get a good 20, 25 years out of it. And nowadays, with the advances they've made in the manufacturing processes, they genuinely put years on roofs on, or roof systems on, that we don't expect you to have to replace for 40 or 50 years.